Item 3.6, approval of council meeting dates for the remainder of 2016. That is quite scary, isn't it? Mrs. Jakes.
Thank you. Normally we've had our council meetings on a Tuesday, so the suggestion here is to change that to a Thursday. And in doing so, that would mean the ones that we had originally set down to 29th of November would change to the 1st of December, and the 13th of December to the 15th of December. And then we'll be looking in December to bring you back a calendar of meetings for 2017 based on council meetings being on the Thursday. We still think that the committee meetings we could have on the Tuesday, if that was something that you wish just to be able to put in the workshops around the Tuesdays after 10 o'clock, as opposed to having your council meetings too full necessarily on a Thursday.
Councillor Cousins.
Through the Chair, can I ask why we wish to change from a Tuesday to a Thursday?
I asked for a change.
There's been some suggestions from some councillors to change the date, mix it up a bit. No particular reason.
I can't make Thursdays, so I won't be here because I employ a PA to work for me. I pay her more than my council salary, and it's a structured contract, so I will not be able to make a meeting on Thursday. I very seldom get to the workshops on Thursdays.
So we've got an issue there with Thursday.
I think maybe what we need to do, Mrs. Jakes, is maybe have a look at the full schedule of meetings for the year, because I think for some councillors who are coming from out of town as well, to come in for workshops on one day and then come back later in the week for a council meeting is incurring extra cost for ratepayers, but also can make things difficult. So I would like us to have some discussion and just couch the general feeling in the room rather than just base a movement on one or two people. I think we need to have a bit more of a discussion on that.
Okay. Is anyone... yeah, sorry, I didn't get the workshop part. So you're suggesting workshops on Tuesdays and council meetings on Thursdays?
So the committee meetings, your normal committee meetings, would still remain on the Tuesday, and you would add on the workshops potentially for those committee meetings as well as
for those committees, but say council
workshops would be on Thursday.
Council workshops on the Thursday, yeah. Okay.
So Tuesday would be your normal committee day, Thursday would be your normal council day.
Okay, so the issue is really Thursday. Suggesting Councillor Cousins, that's difficulty for, and you can't, you obviously your staff member, you can't change it around, no?
For the PA to work my days that was structured for council back in 2013, or February 2014. So you're going to have to try and change an employment contract to get here on Thursdays. I don't know if that's going to be possible.
Yep.
There's a chance of tabling and having a discussion, all having a discussion whether it's convenient. Because for example, I've got other meetings on Thursday as well. May not necessarily coincide with the. So I need to have a look through my timetable with other committees and things.
Right.
And I'm in the same position.
Okay.
I think I've got hospital board meetings on a Tuesday, committee meetings. The big meeting is on a Friday, but I think
Tuesdays.
committee meetings are a Tuesday, so that will put me out for Tuesdays.
What about Wednesdays then?
So,
I presume you're never going to get a date. You know, mind you, Barry, one of you didn't collapse. Wednesdays.
Every day but Wednesday.
Saturday.
So you've got the options of 4 days. Go on, make a decision.
And just through the chair, Mondays are always regional.
And I can make Wednesday after 3 o'clock.
Night.
I did suggest evenings, however, and nobody ever wanted to take that up.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
mind
If it's on a Wednesday,
I'm happy to do it.
evening will be fine on a Wednesday.
I'm happy to
like your evenings.
Nobody ever.
Okay, Tina, you're the master here.
So what we could do is for the next two meetings, stick to the Tuesday if you so wished, and then look at whether there's any better options available. It sounds like most of the other dates do cause some stresses. and I know for councillor Harvey it was the workshops on a Tuesday.
Tuesday morning is the difficulty, but afternoons is,
Is that because of work commitments?
yes, I've got the same issues as you.
Yeah, I know, but when I stood for council, and I don't mean this offensively, but I knew what my structure was going to be like, and now you're asking me to change when I stood for council was going to change now.
I'm not
Meeting-
asking you to change. I'm
Meeting's always
suggesting-
subject to possible change. So you're talking about these, what about these Thursday, what about the November ones? Are these going to stick with Thursdays on these 10th of November?
So, sounds like, I mean.
Let's leave the next
Okay.
ones as the Tuesday.
Tuesday, and we'll just make sure that we don't put the workshops on.
Tuesday morning.
Which means that sometimes we'll need another day.
We often have workshops on a Wednesday or a Thursday.
The issue will be if the health board does have their committee meetings on a Tuesday, that's going to create an issue as well. So basically it's up to you guys, but maybe you stick with that now and then continue to have a discussion offline.
So stick with these dates here?
I think what I'm hearing is change the Thursdays back to Tuesdays
Next to Tuesday.
for now.
29th,
Yes.
13th.
Is that once a month?
So the 10th of November,
Not every.
They're all still happening this week, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're all happening.
on the Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Wednesday, and then Wednesday, oh, that's induction.
So the
And
council
Tuesday.
meeting on the 1st.
3.6. So separate one to 3.7.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
On page
Oh.
66, we'd just like to confirm the meeting dates.
Oh, for the first, yeah.
2016, Tuesday the 29th of November and Tuesday the 13th of December.
Okay.
I'll move that.
I'll second.
Okay, so it's been moved and seconded on 3.6, those to remain at the Tuesday, those dates suggested, and then perhaps we review. Yep, okay, so moved by councillor Park, seconded by councillor Kingy. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against,